Cool Kicks YouTube channel, back in Puente Hills. Getting here right at 11. There's actually people here waiting, okay. I've been checking all the champs that are closing. I think I hit up 3 out of the 4. But yeah, but they don't have the selection of these. They don't have the Mitchell and X selection at those spots. And I've been telling you guys about the UNCs. I hope you guys are able to grab one of those here or at one of the other stores, because I've been telling you guys that for a cool minute now. But yeah, those are down to $20. All those Shaq jerseys, $20 freaking. The Chinese New Year, they only have a medium. I'm like, should I get that, or is that just kind of weird looking to have an Asian dude wear the Chinese New Year? Is that just like too stereotypical? Yeah, and I don't know. I don't really wear gold like that. But $20 freaking. $20. I already got that one right there. 99% sure that's the one I had. I got those for $10. And I actually have an extra large, or an extra large one. The sketch jersey is also $20, man. Got the Booker jerseys as well as a couple of the LeBron James number 6 jerseys go for $50. They also do have the Mike Bibbies. I was just here a couple days ago. And I was like, should I grab one of the Mike Bibby jerseys? Like, I do like the color on this. They did have one medium. It was almost all smalls, though. I think they were all smalls, and they did have one medium. Yeah, they still have it. They still have it. This place is so slow. This is so slow. Dang, dude, look at this. Should I grab this for $20? $20. Like, I just like the way the jersey looks, but I don't really wear like different jerseys like that. But this is fire, though. This is fire. Damn, my jersey collection is just growing too much because I just find stuff for $20 and stuff like that. You got the Bel Air Academy jerseys. That's from the Fresh Prince of Bel Air. If you're anywhere over the age of 30, you know that. You got Marquette jerseys right here. Is that Dwayne Wade on the front? Do got the Mitchell and S shorts right here. The Lakers Mitchell and S. Also the Chinese New Year. This one goes for $125. This goes for like $100. Down to $20 freaking. Are you effing serious? $75 for these right here. Let's check some of the sizes though. These are just the smalls. Are these just the smalls as well? I did grab one of these from here. Oh, they got a large right here. They do have at least one large. That one is an XL right here. We got large, small, medium in those. We got these Dodger jerseys. We got these Dodger shorts right here. Also got these Pro Standard ones still. I'm surprised they still got these. These are $20. I did grab one. I think I paid like 30 or something too. I don't think I paid 20. Did I? I don't know. But yeah, I think this is a small. This one does not look like a small. This one looks bigger. 2 mediums back there, and then these Dodgers shorts right here. This is a medium, and then this one. That one looks about the same. I'm thinking about this one. Thinking about it. They still got these shorts right here. They still got the Raptor shorts. Small, medium, large. Okay. Oh, and then they got Charlotte Hornets right here. Another Raptors. Charlotte Hornets is a medium. So, yeah, if you need an XL or anything, like very, very limited, probably just going to get those Chinese New Year, because that's the only extra large I've seen. That's a medium as well. And I got these shorts. I don't know what the hell these are. These are swimming trunks or something. Medium, XL. So they got a couple things XL, I guess. If you like shorts. And I got those Bulls right there. Moving on to the sneakers. I did come here to find the fluffy sneakers, and they did not have any. So that's why I went to West Covina and bought some $35 Ultra Boost for one of my workers' presents. I'm still thinking about this. All right, let's go to the sneakers, see what's up here. Do got some Kyries right here. $60 for these bad boys right here. That's what's up. These are the lows. These are the infinities. And then got the immortalities right here. The Antetokounmpos. These are the the third gen of the immortalities. Yeah, the outline one is the 3rd gen. Yeah, they got those for $80. That's not that great. These Donovan Mitchell is just hella cheap right here. NMD's going for 60. Those are hella cheap. The issue 3s, Don issue 3s going for $40. That's kind of crazy. And they got 4 different colorways. Got these going for $50. Iversons. These are the questions. The GT Jump. These are one of the two. The ones, right? Yeah, the 2s have the React in the back right here. But yeah, I do got the GT Jumps. $80. That's $100 off. Do got the original Cosmic Unities right there. Got a couple of those. $100 for the 11 low IEs. I've never seen this colorway right here. Do got some Ultra Boost going for $80 freaking dollars. $80. This is a 9.5 right here. The Web Boost going for $80 as well. Or NMDs, 60, 80, 60 right there. The Stan Smith. Stan Smith. And there's the character right there from South Park. $60 for these. These are pretty clean. They still got this 574 right here, which is just hella cheap. $30. This was an 11.5 the last time I came. Week and a half ago, yeah, 11.5. They had a size 11 before. I don't know what size they have now. But yeah, $30, dude. Dude got the RSX right here. These are pretty comfy, man. This is one of the original colorways, I believe. I want to say that colorway released like 3 years ago. Dude got these 25th anniversary Iversons right here. Dude got the Street Fighter Shack Attack right there. Dude got the Rock BSRs right there. And then the Endorphin Speeds. I think this is Saucony's max running shoe, right? Or is it the racing shoe? I don't know. But $160 down to $40. $160 down to $40. Are you effing serious? Holy cow. Holy cow. And $60 for these. Carbon X3s. This is the racing shoe. This is the Hoka racing shoe. Holy cow. These are $60. These normally retail for $200 effing dollars. $60. Wow. They have a bunch of Hokas. I don't know all these. The Rocket X. I don't know all these models. The Mach 5. And then this is the Rincon right here. I recognize the Cliftons right there. This is the Bondi. Yeah, the Bondi 8. Their Max Cushion shoe right here. Man, and at one time they did have buy one, get one 50% off. That was during Black Friday. So people were scooping up all the Hokas apparently. Because you get 2 of them just hella cheap. Hokas rarely ever even go on sale. They're $80 here. These are the Mach 5s. There's another one of the Mach 5s right here. No, the Arahi 6. Never heard of those. But yeah, they got more and more Hokas, yo. And do got these hoodies right here. These are XL right here. And who knows what the price is. I guess they're $30. But yeah, who knows what the original price was. They're all $100. Oh, 90. Yeah, these are nice. They're pretty heavy. Do got large XL. Nike running, which is always a hella expensive product. $68. Those are down to 30. These hoodies are normally 80. Like, who's wearing this? Like, really? Who's gonna, but ain't no skaters wearing that, really? Really? Like, I don't understand. 70 down to 30. Got some, what are these? Track jackets or windbreakers. These are a small, $120 down to 30. They got some different track jackets and stuff up top right there. Nothing really catching my eye though. Their logo right here, kind of cool. This is pretty dope. 95. I think they're down to 40. This is like really heavy. Holy cow. Really nice material. Oh, it's 2 of them. That's why it's so heavy. I was like, why is it so freaking heavy? All right. Yeah, this is nice. I think it's New Era. I was going to say Pro Standard. It is New Era. Got all the teams on it. $20. Normally freaking $76. Holy cow. Large and a small. If you like baseball, it got all the teams on it. So if you like baseball, $20. New Era Dodgers. How many people want bees and plants? What the hell? All right. They're here. Still got these camo sweats, which are pretty freaking dope. Yeah, these are $75 down to the other side, $30. And then got a couple of sizes, a couple of XLs and larges right here. Oh, they got more over here. I don't know if it's more size, but oh yeah, there's a medium. So they got small, medium, large. They got a few mediums right here. Okay, okay. All their hats, $10 freaking. I don't know, is this like, oh, okay. Like an all-star game or something? All-star, I was like, why does it just say LA? But they got fitted Chargers hats going for freaking $10. That's just insane. They got decent sizes too. Like that was 7/3/8. That's my, I can wear that. Pretty big, but I can still wear it. Pretty big meaning I got a big old head. But yeah, snapbacks, more snapbacks right here. $10 freaking. Clippers hats. Someone just made a comment that I'm throwing shade. Yeah, a little bit. But yeah, Clippers hats always on sale. But to be honest, we've been seeing Lakers hat stuff on sale, so I'm just talking trash. But I got Clippers gear right here. Chargers, the Rams, all $10 freaking. All right, let's move on to the women's as well as the kids sneakers. These are a crazy price. Man, the champs that are closing though is just more crazy, but $60, hella dope for those, $100 for these. And I do obsess over the Air More Up Tempos because that's one of my favorite silhouettes of all time, dude. That's just fire. They're totally out of the $5 champion slippers. I'm so sad because I was grabbing those for everybody because they're so freaking comfortable, keep your feet so warm. But yeah, they're gone, man. Dude got some Ultra Boost going for $100 in the women's. These are Ultra Boost lights or the Ultra Boost 2022s. Dude got some 4Ds right here for $100. Been seeing some of these at Ross Marshall's Burlington, but I know not everybody has time to go to 20 different Ross Marshall Burlingtons. But yeah, I do got some Hirachis right here going for decent prices, not too bad. Or SX right here, made for the winter, hella fluffy, going for $30. Got boots right here for the women, Vapor Max right there, some Cumulus right here, some running shoes for women. Got some Asics on sale, got the Revels right there, and a couple more Asics on top. Vans going for $20 right here. I'm gonna have to hit up a couple more of those champs that are closing, man. Okay. Then Duke got some Hokas for women. These are the Mach 5s right here. Got some more of the really cushiony shoes. Are these the Cliftons? Yeah, the Cliftons. These are almost as cushiony as the Bondi's. The Bondi's got a little more midsole. And then the Mach 5s again right here. And then yeah, a couple more up there. Man, I'm still thinking about this. Thought about it the last time I was here. I'm like, do I really need another jersey? I got a ton of jerseys at home, dude. I'm up to like close to 20. Do I need one? Especially like of a player that I, like my Bibby's all right. He was cool, but he wasn't like one of my guys or nothing. All right, I'm leaving him. Dang it, makes me sad. I'm like seeing what they got and seeing what they have. I think I have that one. I don't think I have the yellow one. But is the yellow one 30? I ain't paying no 30. I'll pay 20. I ain't paying 30 for those. Oh, they do have the Raptors ones. Did I miss that one earlier? Raptors and then the Sketch. Those are all $30. $5 section right here. They have the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. Freaking $5. Are you serious? $5 for Mitchell and S shorts. XL right here. $100 to $5. $95 off. $95 off of these. That's crazy. I might just grab this for $5. Shoot, they got camo. This is all CSG stuff. Chant Sporting Goods. Like this is kind of thin. Like the width. I'm talking about the width. Like man, these are like. I think these are like nut huggers, man. I'm good on that. I don't really need that.
Let me double check.
Cause yeah. Oh, maybe they're just all smalls. Maybe that is. What's it, huh? Oh yeah, these are all small, so that's why. Oh, okay, this one's a little looser. But man, that's short, dude. God dang, what the hell? All right, $5 shorts. Let's go. Cheaper than a cheeseburger, man. So I did have the worker scan it. The Bel Air stuff should not have been over here. It's not $5. I didn't make a big deal about it though. And oh, it's right there. Duh. My bad. I should have known. Yeah, so they're right here. There were a couple of them over there. That's why I was like, dang, it's down to $5. But all right, it's all good. I don't really need much else. Wanted to come here and show you guys the latest. So I said no to that. And then I also said no to the Mike Bibby. But yeah, it is what it is. I've already spent plenty of money this weekend. All right, that's pretty much about it, you guys. Want to hit up the Burlington and Ross, but I gotta go home. Gotta go get lunch for my kiddo. Gotta get some stuff done. See y'all.